Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Anand. We're going to talk about very important CNS examination. In the CNS examination, a very beautiful topic known as power. Number one, I'll be talking to you about the grades of power. Then after that, we'll have the patient and we'll do all the maneuvers in the patient. So how many grades of power are there? Very simple. Remember, 5 by 5 is known as the normal strength. We have 4 by 5 power. Now what is 4 by 5 power? 4 by 5 power means the muscle holds the joint. The muscle holds the joint against the gravity and also against the resistance. Let's revise again. 5 by 5 is normal strength. 4 by 5 is muscle holds the joint against the gravity and the resistance. What is 3 by 5 power? In the 3 by 5 power, very important, the muscle, it holds the joint against the gravity but not against the resistance. And what is very important, 2 by 5 power? In 2 by 5 power, the muscle holds the joint when the resistance and gravity both are eliminated. 1 by 5 power is known as flickering and 0 by 5 power is no power or no movement at all. So start with 5 by 5, 4 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 1 by 5 is known as flickering and 0 by 5, very important, is known as no power or no movement. That's it. Now we're going to have the patient and then I'll show you all the various and upper limbs, lower limbs maneuver to look for power.